Hey guys, hello. Hi guys, what's up? We'll wait for a couple more minutes, let the others join in, then we'll start off, okay? Hi, hi. Hey all, what's up? What's up? How are you guys? How's everything going on? How's trading going on? Long time no seen. It's been a couple of days, like I couldn't do live, no? So I feel like everybody forgot me. So how's trading going on for you guys? Then we'll start. Going good, started applying this concept in Forex, good result, but less win rate in London session. See, like I would recommend, what I'm going to recommend is like it, I would prefer you to trade doing New York session demand and supplies in, because like, see, my concept, which I personally uses, requires little amount of volatility. Okay, so that is the reason why in crypto it has a higher success rate. Okay, so in crypto, like if you want to be like, the success rate is very high because of like there is huge amount of volatility comes in into the market, and that's what like makes us strong there. Okay, so usually when there is volatility is kicking in, that is the place where usually I will be following. uh, Bro, how do you consider strong supply and strong? So like I want to see like strong supply and strong build-ups is like breakup structure is something like which I personally look, and larger time frame structures. Okay, that is what like I'll consider. So let's say like if I want to take this as a strong demand, like this should be like a previous structure should be broken by this, then only I'll consider this as an area of like good supply. Otherwise, like if something like this is happening and like it goes here just coming back, this is probably a week only. So I want to see like the structures are taking out properly, and the previous impulse from those areas should be really good. Okay, if that impulse which is coming from those areas are very strong, that is a place where like I will consider it as a very strong supplies. Okay, so which all trades you guys are in? Can you guys tell me like which all trades you guys are in? Which all trades? Anybody in on trade these trades? Dodge is like finally moving nicely. Like that short is extremely working well. Like so, currently I am up almost 0.5 hour, like kind of that range only. but I'm expecting a good fall in the New York Open or something like that. Like we'll probably see some action. That's why I've shorted it. Let's see. If it didn't work out, like it's totally fine, but we'll play for that. Also, like I'm going to short CKNR also. Okay, so if you are interested, like you can join on this trade as well. So I am going to short CKNR live. So if you want to enter into this position with me now, you can enter. Okay, the stop loss will be 52 52 569. 52 569 will be our stop loss. Sorry. Okay, that is the stop loss. I will be risking close to 2% of my account. So 2%. So probably this amount I'm going to risk on this trade. So I've taken it. My stop loss on this one is 52,568. Okay. So CKNR also I've shorted it. So there is like a good amount of weakness which is visible on like larger time frame structures here. This weakness is pretty much visible, and you can see here this is an area of like previous supply. So that's the reason why like I was watching it. So I was waiting for you guys so that like I can enter also you guys with you guys. So ZKNR I have entered. I will update in Telegram also like if, so that like you guys can enter. TP I will update once the trades start to move. Okay. So I have updated in. Okay. What is the trade idea for? See, bro, I am like, see, larger time frame is I'm still but extremely bearish on Ethereum and everything. So once it came into these FEG zones and started to price, started to show weakness, that is where like I have initiated shorts in Ethereum. Okay, this imbalance, half of it is imbalance is finished, and suddenly like we started to see weakness started to come in. And as you know, the larger time frame structure is still kind of bearish. So the 2 hour FPG, then it has started to came down from it. So Ethereum had like little strength, it moved up. Bitcoin, what I did is like this 2 hour high sweep. So where usually I look into these high sweeps, like when there is like high sweeps are happening, that is a place where like I look for like good momentum to pick up. Like if it has failed, maybe like we'll hit a stop loss. But like if it is going to work out, I'm expecting Bitcoin to come down probably and like take out at least these lows. Okay, at least these lows I'm expecting it to take out. So if that is happening, we'll see like good amount of like price coming down. Beat INR long. Beats actually like there was a good contraction which was happening, I feel like. So I'm not sure, but I'm not taking any. This looks promising. Okay, this looks promising. Maybe you can try long here. Like you guys can also try long here. If but the only problem is like if Bitcoin and all start to fall, then this might be like okay, this might start to get weakened also. So apart from that, like this is looking promising only. Like you can keep a stop loss at 158, or like if you want to get it, if you want to be tighter, 167 range, you can keep a stop loss and then you can trade it. Doge is moving nicely, which is good. So all I have not found anything interesting in that. So this is like an area which I was watching, but like the problem was it had like this which is on top. So that's why I didn't take. Okay. So that is the reason which I didn't took it. Okay. So uh, Nifty, no discussions of like Nifty, Bank Nifty and all in the slide, bro. only crypto. Can these same trades called out on Telegram can be taken on prop firm accounts? It's up to you, bro. It's up to you, completely up to you. But like, I won't recommend it because our risk is like kind of different. It's not a prop firm kind of like trading which we do. We look for percentages with high risk. Okay, so we take usually I personally take usually 2%, then try to capture around 2% or like 1.5% in a trade. So the style is different. So if that is going to suit you as a trader, definitely you can trade. But personally, if you ask me, like, I'm not sure because I have not tried like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all those things in prop firms because the spreads are high. Peak how much fall I am expecting. Once I exited from that trade, I will definitely update you this much fall I am expecting. not a not an astrologer, bro. I follow the trades. I don't try to predict anything in the market. That is the reason why like I don't keep targets initially itself. Only when we are scalping or something, I'll keep a target. When there is movement is happening, I watch momentum based on that what I trade. Okay, apart from that, like I don't give any levels which like it's not like the right way. Like that's what I found it. Market is not going to come to your level all the time. Okay. Okay, market is not going to tell you like exactly, okay, this is where like I'm going to head. This is where like I'm going to stop. So if there is a momentum is coming into the market, like try to capture that. And once the momentum is died out, you should be looking for exit opportunity. So how do you predict momentum? So I look at the candles. Okay, so strong candles and weak candles are easy to identify. Okay, strong candles. Okay, strong candles and weak candles will be uh, easy to identify. Once there is like a very huge amount of strong candles like these will be forming. When there is weakness will be starting to come, there will be starting to see wicks. And this body will start to become smaller and wicks will start to become bigger. So those are the signs of like momentum is getting shifted. So, but personally, like I will tell you one thing, like don't try to like these things you can start watching. Okay, don't try to uh, replicate everything which I'm telling you guys tomorrow onwards and like expect you to become profitable. There is a uh, good amount of experience which plays into my trading. Okay, so if that is also one thing, that's what you can learn from these things. Whenever you are trading, make sure that like that experience is playing out for you. जब तक like your experience is good, then try to gain as much as experience, try to spend as much as time you want, you can do. Okay, what price next demands on for ETH? Demand, I'm not finding any strong demands on ETH, bro. I don't have any strong. I am expecting at least price to come down till little, but like this is not a strong demand for me. Okay. I don't decide like because there is no structure break or anything which has happened from here. So I don't consider that as a strong demand, but like personally, like those levels will be the one which I'll be waiting. Then I'll see. I'll update in the futures group. I'll be updating in the futures group, exit and everything. I'll be updating in futures. BTC entry. You can enter now. Okay. My entry is like you will get a better entry than me. Like if anybody missed any entries on Bitcoin and Ethereum, I would recommend you guys can enter now also. You will be getting a better entry than me. Your risk will be also lesser than me. Okay. So if anybody interested going in on Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's a good time to enter. Your stop loss on Bitcoin will be 83,10,647,746. 83,10,746. Okay. Ethereum, your entry will be current market price. You can enter 283,237 will be your stop loss. 283,237 will be your stop loss. Okay. So those are the entries. Bro, I have watched a video of one physicist trader who said it's better to react on market than predict it. Do you follow the same? And how do you explain it? How do you explain? So that is basically a trader's what you need to do as a trader. Like you don't like see, I don't do predictions. Okay. Okay, I don't do any predictions or anything like that in my trading. Okay, I follow what this market is showing me. So I think that is what makes me a successful trader. Okay. So the more you try to predict, it's basically a psychology game. Okay. That becomes more of a psychology game than like your anything else. So I personally, what I follow is I look into the market, what does market is doing, while react to the market. That's it. See, leverage, I depends on like my risk. Risk in the sense like how much percentage is what like if it is more than 4 percentage of my stop loss is more than 4 percentage in the chart, I don't risk anything at 25x. Like I'll try to risk less. I'll risk less, like I'll take less leverage on coin switches like similar to Dogecoin or something like that. If my stop loss percentage is more than like 4%, I prefer to take it less. I'm confused. Should I follow Discord crypto trading? In Discord, there is no crypto trading, bro. Only YouTube, we have crypto trading happening. Did you close Doge? No, I have not. I'm into crypto futures. Is there any videos, setups so that I can learn? In YouTube channel itself, like our previous lives are there. Okay. So you can watch that. I have explained my setups and everything in those lives. So if you want to learn those things, you can definitely watch those live. You can learn a lot of stuff from there. Charges is based on volume. So that is basically leverage, bro. So the higher, like so basically, what you need to understand is if you have a very higher risk percentage. Okay. So let's say like if you're risking 5% on a trade, that means like you are going to create a higher volume. Okay. So it depends on how much risk you are going to take on a trade that will create the volume. So if you are creating a higher volume, what happens is like people, what I'm telling is like with like smaller stop loss, they will be like risking higher and like their volumes will be very high. That is the place where like you will be like uh, which YouTube channel? I don't think of. Bro, I don't like much of like YouTube to be honest. Like there is only one YouTube channel I will recommend is there is Trade with Trends. Okay. Okay. Trade with Trends is one YouTube channel which I like. That is where like I learned my lot of stuffs when in my beginner life. Apart from that, like I don't like so I'll be very honest. Like I don't like this ICT. I don't like any other channels. Like it's not about the concept. Okay, I'm not like the concept are really good, but I don't like that toxicity comes from those channels. Okay, trading like you do this thing, then only it will work. Then you do this thing, everything else is shit. Those kind of YouTube channels, please don't watch. See, I will tell you one thing. Like, if you take any strategy, apply with like proper risk management, uh, majority of the things will start to work. Okay, keep it very simple. Okay, I'm not trying to make you confused or something. If you can keep it very simple, try to follow risk management, try to follow psychology, you can be a winner. Okay, you can be a good winner out of this itself. So as a trader, what you need to do is try to be patient. I hope like from our Telegram channel, like if you are trading with me for the last 1 month or 1.5 months, one thing you might have learned is I don't do anything very crazy. I just be patient, wait. Okay. That's the only thing which I am doing. Are you guys seeing that? Like usually what you see is like we'll be waiting. We take a trade, we'll wait. We take a trade, we wait. So okay, so that is what like all about trading. So if you can be patient, see like this Dodge trade itself. Okay, what time we take the trade? It took almost like 4 or 5 hours. Like I guess like I think in 3 o'clock or something I gave this trade. No, I'm right. What time I gave? Yeah, let me check. Yeah, 2:30, 2:45. I gave the straight. But what we're doing after that? Like after almost 4 hours, like we were sitting like this. Nothing was went down, came up, but we didn't do much of like any actions. We're just patiently waiting for the trade to play out. This is the biggest problem which you need to solve as a trader. So I'll tell you, I'll be very honest with you. I get like lot of messages from people after taking a trade. You think trading can be chosen as a. I shared my P&L yesterday, today, right? Like today, my P&L. If that income is enough for you to become, then you can. We have to close the trade. I'll tell book trade properly when I send. Correct. Like I will update. Like did I don't update anything properly there? If I am updating my stop losses, I will update there. If I am being cautious, like there might be a chance our stop losses might be getting triggered. Before that itself, like I will update you guys. Like okay, this is good. Might not this trade is not might not be working out. Like please be cautious. I'll tell if in sometimes like we exit in between also when the trade is like not looking good. I've updated you guys. When I'm taking an exit, I'm also mentioning that like okay, I'm exiting from this trade due to this reason. So I'm updating everything properly. You just have to read it, right? So if I don't know how hard it is, so just read that messages. Don't look in the emojis and book it. Okay. Yeah, SL, yeah, yesterday, like, same thing happened. Like, yesterday, like, somebody 9:30 or something was texting me, like, bro, uh, Dodge is going to hit XL. What is, like, happening? It's okay. Like, if it is hitting SL, it's fine. Like, but, like, it didn't. So, that is, like, we are trying to predict again. Now, I got confused yesterday and exited. Cash exit. Cash exit. What is that? I don't know. Okay, so what you want me to like? So today I only seek like I have like trade at the moment which is going. Okay, currently there is no other trade which I have in mind which is like currently going. Only seek is what like I'm expecting it to go from now. Like the only trade which I'm planned and like I'm in is like this one only. Rest of the trades which I've already shared with you guys, if you have not entered. Okay. Okay, this is the only trade which you can place orders like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you haven't still entered, you can definitely enter now. Okay, with the same stop loss, you can enter. I'm expecting maybe good moves on the uh, New York opening. Okay, that is where like I'm expecting decent movement to come in. Trade with trends. Yeah, that is the channel which I've told you. So that is in the beginning stages. Like I learned like a lot of stuff from there. It's a good channel, but it is very boring. Okay, I don't think you will like it. It's not a YouTube channel where like they will be flexing money or anything like that. But like it's very solid. Like if you are like if you want to learn patience, if you want to learn how to trade momentum, if you want to trade all those things, but it's huge amount of contents. Okay, I don't know how long it will take you to finish those content, but it's there. So if you are interested, like you can watch it. Like it's going to take like a lot of Are we not using AI? For what, bro? For what we are using AI? Thinking to short Solana and scalp. Okay. This is going to be high risk trade. So if you are interested, you can take it, but others can leave it. Okay. This will be, I will be risking only 1% on this trade. So 114, 1179. Okay. 1179, you can end, stop loss is there. So let me I'll risk 1% of my account in this trade and I'll be initiating one trade. Okay, so Solana for a short scalp I've taken. Okay, this will be like our target will be here. Okay, 1157 okay will be our target. So those who are interested can take entry. Your stop loss will be 11794. Okay. That, that A is me, bro. You can trade with 0.5. Yes. That A is me, bro. I am the A. I'm not a human, bro. You are talking to an A who makes you profitable. Bro, this is an important thing for me. Whenever I watch market and I find 3, 4 trades, I was not able to choose which trade should I sell. And sometimes I miss trades are moving nicely while others weren't. Take all the trades, trade all the trades, and start journaling. Okay, start journaling it and identify why it is working out. Okay, that's what I usually do. So I personally do that. So when I have this fatigue also, usually what? Yeah, sure. Like I'm just kidding that. So, so personally, like I don't use any AIs or anything. I am a very manual trader. I don't trust anything because uh, I personally find my trade to be like slightly discretionary. Okay, discretionary in the sense, uh, like you are like trying to analyze the market, what is market is trying to tell you. I don't know how AI can do that for me, so that's there. That's a problem here. Less capital here, which need me go to break even due to commission. See, like if you are trading with like less capital, very small capital, treat it as a learning phase only. Okay, that is what the first thing I will say. Okay. Uh, Usually, if you want to become a profitable trader, you need. So I'm talking about like reality. Okay. So if you are planning to become a full-time career into this thing, you should need a decent capital. Decent capital in the sense like 1 to 2 lakhs is you will be required. Okay, with a 10,000 capital or 20,000 rupees capital, you are not going to become a successful trader. Okay, like in the sense like you can learn with that capital, but like making a living out of it, it's not possible. I don't want to sell you a false dream that like from 10,000 you will be able to become 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 3 lakh or 4 lakh kind of capital. It is maybe for like very less number of people will be able to do it, but majority of the people won't be able to do it. Okay, that is the hard reality of trading. So for that initial times, if your commissions, I know that like I've told this multiple times, if you are trading on a 10,000 rupees capital, that's why I've asked you guys to start risking 2% on trades, because otherwise your commissions will be higher. Okay, and commissions can be high, but these commissions won't be affecting you that much when you are taking trades in uh, on a bigger account. Okay, That's what I'm going to tell you. Like this is only a problem with a smaller account. Commissions will be maybe marginally increased on a 50,000 accounts and marginally will be increased on 1 lakh or 2 lakh account. Okay. So when you do that, okay, when you do that, it's going to be like that. So that like leave it as like a place where okay, leave it as a place where like learning phase. Don't bother about charges. Don't bother about like I've already told you. Like if you remember, if I told you guys this multiple times, your first capital or like first 2 3 months, don't look for profits. Okay, don't look for any profits. Instead, just watch for the market to learn things. Okay, learn things is the particularly like you are going to do it. So if you can like focus on being break even and learn things next 2 months, if you can do that, third month or fourth month, that is the place where like you will start to scale your capital and start to become profitable massively. I've showed you guys that it is possible to make good amount of profit. I've shown you guys live. Right? I started an account with you guys. I've traded with you guys. I showed you that like good money can be made. Okay, good kind of money can be made if you are a good trader. I've shown you my P&L also. I've shared all your trades and I've showed you my P&Ls, which means that that can be done by you guys also. I don't have any magic spell or anything like that. Okay, that's the thing. What is an average ROI we can do in crypto in a month? It depends, bro. This month has been extremely good for us. Okay, in the sense like trades were like doing pretty really good. uh, Okay, so market like it's basically I was like doing extremely well this month. We were able to clock close to 100% ROI this month. Okay, 100% ROI is like I will never recommend this will happen next month or like it this will happen in the third month or something. It will never happen. Like I am also surprised how I was able to crack that. Even I am trying to figure out actually. Okay. Okay, so even I am trying to figure out like what did I do wrong to make this much of profits. Okay, so it was a good month, but like usually I target for 20%, 15 to 20 percentage max. That's it. Market is against you today, bro. I'm not sure, bro. Let's see. Let's see, like once if market is against me, it's fine, bro. Even if it is against me, I'm up almost 1 lakh rupees. More than 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs, I'm up. If market is against me and if I'm able to make that much money, it's good. I would say. Uh, I actually I took all outs most of the time. I went SL and only remaining all of took my own. And I don't know how you end up in losses trade, bro. Because I've shared you the data also. Like I think close to 80% was our win rate. Okay. So I increase my risk according to my account size every week or something. See, there is a goal with this account. Okay, I'm not disclosing that. Uh, so I'm not taking out any profits at the moment. I want to grow this account. Okay, that is my current. uh, okay, so I really want to understand like what is my what till where I can push this account. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to do. Let's see how it goes and everything. Market is might be reversing. Oh, there is some strength is coming in market. We might like worsen red. Nothing is gaining any momentum. Nothing is like doing anything. So let's be patient and see if it is like hitting stop losses. It's fine. Okay. So So currently we are in on these trades. Okay, Doge, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Seek, and Solana. Hopefully we'll end up in like keep practicing, Joe. Like don't be like in a bad mood and like try to do anything random. That is what I'm going to recommend you. Keep practicing, keep try to learn as much as possible. This is what I am going to recommend you. If you can learn, okay, if you can learn uh, things, spend time in the market, I'm pretty sure like you can become a good trader. Okay, so I am personally will be here to help you guys also. Come to live, ask me doubts. I'm ready to explain anything. Okay. So what is the strategy for crypto? Demand and supply. That is the main strategy which I follow. Liquidity sweep. These are the things. Any books to study price action? Does price action works on crypto? See, price action works really well in crypto. Like in the sense like demand and supply, contractions, liquidity sweep, these things works really well. So if you understand that concept, like make sure that you can use it and trade it. And one more big announcement which we did today. Uh, okay. So there is going to be a trading competition is going to be held mid January or like end of January. So it's going to be based on okay, going to be based on this thing. How do I say ROI? Okay, so I want you guys to be starting to trade by your own and get good at it. Okay, make sure that like you guys are trading. Please don't only depend on me. Make sure that you guys are also learning. Okay, and start learning a lot of things by your own. That is very important for the competition. So it's going to be a big prize pool also. That is like I know some of you will be having struggling with capital. This is going to be an opportunity for you guys to earn a big capital. Okay, so first prize, second prize, third prize will be a massive prize pool will be there. Then there will be another prize pool also for like another 10-20 people. We haven't finalized yet, but still there will be at least 15 20 to 15 to 20 prize pools will be there. Okay, so you can use those to make sure that like you are sitting with like decent amount of profits at the moment. Try to do your own trades and try to learn things and try to get good. You have almost a month time, okay, to be good at okay. So if you can do that, if you have the right amount of skills, definitely this is going to be an opportunity for you guys to become a good trader and a profitable big trader. Okay, so we are going to give you this opportunity for you guys. Make sure that like you are going to utilize it. Jom, I don't know, bro. Like Jom is, I'm not sure whether it's going to participate or not. Anyway, like see, like we have like done better than Jom in crypto, so we can beat Jom. Okay, I have a good trust on you guys. I want one of you from the live to be the winner. Okay, that is my goal. I want to say that like he is from my live, has been win it. So I want to make sure that my people win the competition. I'll be more than happy to give you that. Coin switch is a place where like the competition and everything will be happening. Okay. Can you explain the contraction and poor highs, poor low to check volatility? I've already explained multiple times now. It's there in like December 21 or 20th live. It is there. Okay, so we'll end the live today here. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, same time. Bye bye guys. Take care. Please start. BC, I will be coming back. BC, I will be coming back on Jan 2nd. Probably I will start coming back to BC. Okay, so I'll be coming back at that time. Okay, so definitely, probably I'll start coming into live by that time because there is no much live is like Indian market doesn't have enough liquidity at the moment. That's why I'm not trading. I'll be coming back. Okay, So I'm not able to join Telegram futures. Please drop a message to Care if you are not able to join it. Like you will be able to join that. Care number is in this live's description. You can see a WhatsApp number. Just drop a message to that. Like you will be able to get access to Telegram group as well. Okay. So bye bye guys. Take care and have a good day. Let's hope all these trades are going to work out well and able to book some profit. So don't panic. We are sitting with a decent amount of profits. Even if it didn't work out, we'll be able to bounce back strongly. So bye bye guys. Take care. Good night. Have a good year ending. Please, I want you guys to be very successful in that trading competition. So start practicing yourself. Start punching orders by yourself. Start getting good at it. I hope one of you will be the winner, and I really want one of you to win that. So make me proud doing that. I hope one of you will be making me proud that like one day I can say that like I am from the live and I won this thing. Okay, so bye bye, take care and good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.